Want to rotate or flip your MacBook Neo screen for a different view? And if it ever gets flipped by accident, here's how to fix it too. First, press and hold the Option key on your keyboard. While holding it, move your cursor to the Apple logo on the top left and click on it. Now, go to System Settings. Scroll down and select Displays. Inside, you'll now see a rotation option. You can release the Option key at this point. Click on Rotation and you'll get multiple choices like 90, 180, or 270 degrees. If you're using an external monitor, you can also flip the screen if needed. To bring everything back to normal, simply choose the standard or default rotation and hit Confirm. One quick tip: when the screen is rotated, moving your cursor can feel a bit confusing, so take it slow. And that's it. Your display should be back to normal. Thanks for your time.